know there's a fish over there, dog. Know there's one over there. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Got him.
Get him!
Got him.
Get him!
He's underneath.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
There he goes.
Damn right! Let me get the net. Let me get the net.
Yeah, bring him over here.
Damn right, son.
See that?
Good gracious. God
That's
damn.
how you do it right there.
That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Largemouth bass.
Look at that. Messed my worm all up. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Hold him up fat with your other hand. Damn right. That's what I'm talking about on the stringer.
Alright. Let's go get the rest of these dudes.
Let's go get them. It's just a one a mini.
Yes, sir.